When judgment comes in the face of fury, a soul for sale, jump between right and wrong. No honest judge, no perceptive jury.